Have you reset your check engine light, only to see it come back again? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most common reasons why it happens, and what you should check before spending money at a repair shop. Let's get started. Number 5. You reset the light, but the problem is still there. This is probably the most common reason. A lot of people disconnect the battery, or use a scanner to clear the warning light. That makes the light disappear, but it doesn't actually repair anything. Think of it like deleting a reminder on your phone. The reminder is gone, but the task still needs to be done. Your car works the same way. If the problem hasn't been fixed, the computer will notice it again, and the check engine light will come right back. Number 4. The gas cap is loose. Believe it or not, something as simple as the gas cap can turn the check engine light on. If it's loose, not fully tightened, or the rubber seal is worn out, the car can detect a small fuel vapor leak. The good news is, this is one of the easiest things to check. Take the gas cap off. Make sure it's clean, put it back on, and tighten it until you hear several clicks. Sometimes, after a few normal trips, the light turns off by itself. Number 3. The original problem was never fixed. Sometimes people clear the warning light, hoping it won't come back. But if a spark plug, an ignition coil, a sensor, or another part is still causing a problem, the car will keep detecting it. The check engine light isn't trying to annoy you. It's simply letting you know that something still needs attention. Until that issue is repaired, the light will usually return. Number 2. The car needed time to check everything again. Here's something many drivers don't know. After you reset the check engine light, your car doesn't check everything immediately. Instead, it waits until you've driven for a while. As you drive, the computer quietly checks different systems in the background. If everything passes, great. But if it finds the same problem again, the check engine light comes back on. So don't be surprised if the light stays off for a day or two, and then suddenly returns. That's completely normal. Number 1. A different problem has appeared. Sometimes, the first problem really was fixed. But then, another issue shows up. Maybe one sensor failed before. Now another one has started acting up. Or maybe a small engine problem wasn't noticeable before, but now the computer has detected it. That's why you should never assume it's always the same fault. The check engine light only tells you that the car has found something that needs attention. Before you spend money, check these simple things. Before heading to a repair shop, take a few minutes to look over the basics. Make sure the gas cap is tight. Check that the battery terminals are clean and secure. Look under the hood for any loose plugs or wires. And pay attention to how the engine feels. Is it running rough, shaking, or using more fuel than usual? Sometimes these simple checks can point you in the right direction. So, if your check engine light keeps coming back after resetting, don't keep clearing it over and over again. The light is trying to tell you that something still needs to be fixed. Find the real cause, repair it, and the warning light should stay off for good. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy car repair tips. And if your check engine light is on right now, leave a comment below with your car's year, make, model, and engine size. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.